received this package from MIT, Office of Digital Learning. Looks like this is my hard copy of the certificate, the print certificate for architecture and system engineering course. I'm going to show you the unpacking of the same. Came from FedEx, and inside this, this is from Massachusetts Institute of Technology, Office of Digital Learning, 600 Technology Square Building, NE 49 2000, Cambridge, Massachusetts 02139. This is my address, and this is how the I think the package look like. This is quite hard, so that I think the certificate inside should not get folded. Let's open this. The top part, and so this is the letter. I think you're gonna read from Bruce Cameron, and side of that letter is this certificate, and that is how it will look like. This is my professional program certificate. So congratulations letter. Basically, this is what you will get if you complete that course. The hard copy of that certificate is here, and inside this one certificate here, and a letter.